So the things that you need is a cardboard, and basically this cardboard, I've just got some old cardboard and a ruler, and the ruler is about 5 centimeters. So basically this is 5 centimeters, and the longness is basically up to you, but this one is 60 centimeters. So I've just got a couple. It just depends how much you want to use, to be honest. I've got 12, and the other things you need: hot glue sticks, scissors, and this is the rule that I've just measured it with, a cutter and a glue gun. So get your cardboard and fold it in half. So this is the half for me. And then from there, fold it again. So this is what you should have right now. And then we're just going to join it together like that. And if you want it to be pointy, do the foldness outwards again, just to make it some edge. And then just get your glue gun and just hot glue it together. And this is what you're going to do for the other 11 cardboards, or however many pieces you want to use. And then if you just want it to be proper secure, put some glue gun on the inside as well. But make sure it's not too thick as well, so it's not too noticeable. And this is what you should have. Don't worry about if it goes wonky, as we're going to be fixing it up later on. So after doing all the squares, get them one by one and start stacking them on top of each other. But obviously we're going to do sideways a bit, and this is how it's going to work. You're going to apply some hot glue gun to the top of each one, just to make it stay together basically.
Something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone. Wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries, teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me would meet someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again, again, again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's so far but not in play, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now, so much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but just run away. 85, something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone, wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries, teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me with me someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that it cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again, again, again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's all far but not in play, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now, so much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again and again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's all far but not in play, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now, so much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. 85, something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone, wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, I'm coming home.